to the point where it does really good to the... Hello over there and welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Julia, and in today's clip, as you can tell by the title and by the way I'm looking, I am actually doing a tutorial where it is inspired by KYLIE Jenner. It is from her brow drop, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I really liked this pop of color in her inner corner. I was really digging this look so much. I tried it off camera before, but not with like full-on blush, full-on contour, full-on highlight. I wouldn't say full-on highlight because Kylie doesn't like full-on highlight, sadly. So, you know, I did stick to it. If you want to see how I did it, please keep watching. So basically I'm looking at the picture right now. She has a picture and she also has a video. It's very sultry, it's very like simple, but at the same time I feel it's gonna be really hard for me to do the eyeliner so thin. So shall I do the face first? I'm doing the face first. I said in the title, this is Drugstore, so what I'm gonna do is put a primer. This is from e.l.f. This is the Poreless Putty Primer. I kind of love it. It's really good. I tried the Professional from Benefit. It's just I feel this is much more hydrating, so it is more on my kind of liking. I do put it where I think I need it, which is over here, on my nose, on my forehead, and a bit on my chin. This is gonna be a hard one because Kylie's skin, it is very, it's perfect. She has no flaws, at least on mine. She looks like a doll. Next, what I'm gonna do is obviously use foundation. So I decided to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I have two shades just because this is too light, this is too dark. I always combine them and I really like the finish. I'm just gonna, you know, shake these ones a little bit and combine them. So I'm putting one, I mean obviously this is depending on your liking. I do one spatula of this. This is in golden beige and in soft ivory if you're interested. So I'm gonna put 2 drops of these like that. And for some reason in this clip I just decided to use a brush instead of a sponge. I'm afraid I'm gonna regret it, but we'll have to see. I feel a brush will give me much more coverage and I really need that. I already regret using a brush just because I'm gonna have to work it out really well just to make sure it's not streaky, which it is right now. Now I'm just gonna go and take my goddamn sponge. I have no idea what was in my head. I love my sponge. Much more better. It's just today I really need the coverage, so that's why I decided to use a brush. But I personally don't like brushes. The only times I like brushes is when I have a very lightweight foundation. I'm gonna go with what is left on the spots, praying that they're gonna be covered. You know, they are, but not, I wanted them much more covered, but that's why we're gonna come with concealer. So my favorite concealer from Drugstore, and it's actually I don't have high-end concealers. What am I talking about? So this is the Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. This is the super size version. I realized I ran out too quick on the smaller version, but obviously if you want to try it, you never tried it, try the smaller one. I don't tend to go too much with my concealer for some reason. I think this is pretty much enough. I know some people would put much more than this. It does the job and trick for me. So I'm gonna start off with my under eye and then go after for the spots I have around my face. Now I'm gonna go with just a tinge more, just because I feel Kylie has no imperfections. And I'm here, I'm like, yeah. Now I have to quickly set, just because my eyes are very wrinkly. So this is the Lottie London Ready Set Go powder. This is my favorite powder of all goddamn time. It's loose, I know that. I'm planning to go and find one that is not loose, because it drives me crazy to travel with it, because it gets everywhere even now. And I have black pajama pants. Amazing. I'm usually baking, like just tap like this. Now I'm gonna go with the concealer again. This is gonna bake until I am putting my spots underneath that concealer. Let's see if I can get them through. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush, not two of them, just one, and I'm gonna wipe this down and taking some of the powder again and put it on my forehead, just because I have wrinkles over there too. Powder it off. Now I'm gonna move on with the contouring. So I'm gonna use, in this case, the palette from Revolution, the collaboration with Imagination, Highlight to the Moon. So I'm just gonna use the shade Literally. So I'm gonna contour a bit, because I've seen Kylie's contoured too. She does the kind of like free thing, like obviously her sister Kim Kardashian. So I'm gonna try to do the 3 as well. I feel it always looks patchy on me if I do here contouring. That's why I don't like it. I went really harsh, so maybe that's why I don't like it. But she goes really harsh. I feel every single celebrity does go really harsh with it. And I feel it's not blended out because it's so obvious. Yeah. And now I'm gonna do my blush. And I did buy this KIKO Waterflower Magic Blush. I've used it once and I really like it. It looks like this, and I feel it looks quite like something Kylie would use. I hope it's gonna be a match to it. Yeah, that is definitely a match. Yeah, that is too much for my liking. Okay, with some powder on top. This is not like, it doesn't have any more powder, it only has the leftovers. So this one. So now I'm gonna use a highlighter, and Imogen is very obsessed with very blinding highlighters, so I'm definitely not touching her palette. Like, this is not what Kylie is pulling off. So she's using a very subtle, you can barely see the highlight, and I think Elf in shade Moonlight Pearls, it is the perfect shade for that. She doesn't have on her Cupid's bow, does she? Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. No, she doesn't. I've seen she contours her nose to the point she goes up here. So this is what I'm gonna do. This is gonna be a disaster. My nose is not as tiny as hers. Besides that, I am a disaster with nose contouring, as a matter of fact. I always do this though. This is something I never go wrong with. And I'm just gonna try to fade that a bit away. Oh, this is not as bad as before. And now I'm just gonna go over here and on top of my nose too. And that's pretty much it with the contouring slash blush slash highlight. Brows, god yes. Obviously this is the campaign for her brow products, so obviously she used a pencil because this is what she advertises. It is the same kind of style as this one from Wet n Wild. It has a combo brush from what I've seen, and obviously a very thin tip that this does not have. But you know what, I'm just gonna try to pull off her brows as much as I can, although I feel she has thinner brows than I do. So yeah, she has some lines over there, and then it's kind of filling up from here. Oh my god, no way did that break! Why? Oh, I don't have too much left. Why? It is what it is. So, praying this is not gonna break. They're very defined. They have a really pointed out arch, so I'm gonna follow up. I'm just gonna go with this brow gel mascara eyebrow thing, just because I feel it gives me a fuller kind of look, and I'm not quite sure if she used anything like that, to be quite honest with you, but I'm still gonna do it anyway. So I think it gives me a full-on brow. Let's do the eyes. So the eyes don't seem to be very complicated. I tried it before. I'm not gonna sit here and be like, oh, I never tried it before, because I tried it. Firstly, I'm actually gonna prime my eyes with Catrice Camouflage Concealer. I really love this stuff, so I'm gonna put 2 bits here and there. From what I remember also from the clip where she is somewhere around the same concept with the pink pop in her inner corner, she actually goes first with a fluffy brush with some brown, and I think I did not show you what I'm gonna use. This is the Soft Those Nails collaboration with Makeup Revolution. This is how it looks like. So yeah, you see you have a pink here and you have some browns here. This is what I need, this is what I got, I'm using it. I'm gonna actually go first with this shade on its own on my full-on eye. So I'm gonna go and kind of like tap my eyelid, not the crease. I'm trying to stay as far away as I can from the crease, really, because I've seen she has a more darker shade over there. So I'm gonna go with a darker shade. Ooh, and I got a darker shade. No, I think I might try to go with this shade and try to take just a tinge of this brown. This is too dark. You know what, I'm just gonna put like that, see, like that, and then with a clean brush, has nothing on it, and try to blend as much as I can, because I feel it is a very, very subtle, and I'm trying to wing it out a bit because I feel she has that kind of vibe to it. With the pink, I think this is Strawberry Sweet Cold, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna take the Strawberry Sweet shade, which is here in the corner, and I'm taking it on a very, very small brush just to have control where I place it. Now I'm gonna go with the eyeliner. This is gonna be the trickiest of them all because it is very, very thin, and you know, you can go really well with one eye and really wrong with the other. Let's jump to the lashes. I don't remember when I heard Kylie saying this, but she has a trick where she uses black mascara on top of her lashes and brown mascara underneath her lashes, so I'm definitely gonna do that. This is the Extension Plus Curl Marcel Curling and Lengthening Mascara. I got this from Birchbox, and to be quite honest, I think it is exactly the kind of style Kylie pulls off. It is very, gives you a wispy sort of, not sort of, it actually makes them really wispy and nice, so I really like them. I feel she does have some kind of like eyeliner on her waterline, like something nude, because I feel her eyes are very like open. I'm actually gonna put some of the NYX Wonder Eye Pencil in shade Light. So I'm going again with this shade because I think it's a bit like lighter. Yeah, here we go. So this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect. Fan effect, like a fan. What? Mascara, and it is in shade Luminous Brown. I actually found this in a makeup outlet, which I'm planning to do a clip on it as well, to go and buy some products from them and see what a full face from a beauty outlet looks like. Now the lips, which is something I'm a bit scared of, because obviously that's why Kylie is so popular with her lip kits and her lips in general. I have this Berry M lip liner in shade Hun. It comes with a lipstick. It's exactly kind of a dupe of the Kylie lip kits, but the actual lip shade, it is way nude for the kind of look she, like lips she has in there. Like they're nude but they're a bit like brown sort of nude, and I don't have that shade in my collection except one. And this is a very old lipstick from Primark. This is how it looks like. This seems a pretty similar shade to it, so I'm gonna try this one. And yeah, I'm gonna definitely line my lips like Kylie. I don't know if I should try it with my eyes closed, but this is really hard. How the hell she does it? Okay, that's not bad. You know what? I want to try to overline my lips. I usually don't. I very rarely do that, which is usually a mistake. But I really want to overline my lips because I know she does that most of the times. And now I'm gonna go with the lipstick. I don't even remember what shade is it. No, I'm sorry, but this was the PS Matte Long Last lipstick. Wow, that little line thing, that doesn't look that bad as I expected. My lips are looking alright. That is pretty much it I had to say for today. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. It was useful and relevant. I really had fun doing it. I hope it was useful for the fact that it has only drugstore makeup. I do post usually on Thursdays. Click that subscribe button. I do sometimes post in other days too, whether it's like posting also on Thursday and another day, or maybe another day. It really depends on my schedule. That's why I'm telling you to hit that notification bell button, because you know you're staying up to date to the content. I do stay consistent. It was only a matter of a couple of weeks when I was with my dissertation. I missed, so I'm really sorry about that. And that's about it. I do hope you will subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.